Hello and welcome back to Let's Discover. My name is Chris, and this month we're making stethoscopes. This is the easiest thing in the world. You'll need a pop bottle, a balloon, and some scissors. The trick is to take the scissors and cut the bottom off of your pop bottle. So very carefully insert the blade into the bottle and then cut a nice smooth line around. You can see I'm removing the bottom half of the bottle just where the rest of it stops getting wider. So I've got a nice cone on the right hand side of me, on your left. And the key to this is to try to cut a nice smooth edge. If you need to, you can use a nail file or some sandpaper to smooth out the edge. I'm just going to trim a couple of these spots. One. And that's fine. The reason is because we're going to stretch our balloon over top. You need to cut the mouth of the balloon off. Like this, probably. And then stretch it over the bottle. Now, if you find you have too much or too little balloon, well, if you have too little balloon, you need a new one. If you have too much balloon, you can always trim more off. The same goes for the pop bottle. You stretch it over the mouth here. This may take some trying. And you tend to end up with a really funny shape on the end of your stethoscope. Now the main thing is that you've got a good seal around the edges and that nowhere along the edge is it too sharp and it's going to tear your balloon. So I've got some weird pointy corners. I've also made them that have kind of a square shape, and the first one had a very nice triangular shape. I'm not sure why this one turned out so well, but it did. And this is it. This is a stethoscope. All you need is to press this against something you want to listen to, say your heart, and then put your ear against the opening. As your heart beats inside of your chest, it'll make noises and vibrations, and these get passed along into the tight surface of the balloon, which then vibrates into the air, and those sounds get focused in through the small tip of the balloon, and it actually works surprisingly well. It's quite a good stethoscope. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this month's Let's Discover.